magazine, which of course is where the dynamite was stored. Now, dynamite was very important. We're in a hard rock mine. The only way to really move this rock is to drill holes, load them with dynamite, and then blast it. Now, the first thing you'll notice about the magazine is that it's painted red. Red was used because they thought that made it stand out well in the dim lighting they had. Very important, so you wouldn't have any accidents around the dynamite. The other thing to note about it, it's made of wood. Wood doesn't spark, safety precaution. The most important thing to note, however, is the light inside. It's an electrical light. The only electrical lights underground were in the magazines, and they served an important function. That being that with the door closed, that bulb would generate enough heat to keep the dynamite dry. And this is very important down here where it's damp, because dynamite, when it becomes damp, becomes very unstable, and the slightest bump could set it off. So you certainly didn't want to work with damp dynamite. So how the men worked is the dynamite did remain in here until they were ready to load the holes they had drilled for it. Then they would move it down to where they were working and load the holes, which is what we're going to find out about next. We'll continue in, we'll take a look at how they drilled the holes, how they loaded them, how they blasted the rock, and then we'll take a look at how they moved the rock out of the underground and into the mills for processing, which again is where they separated the valuable minerals from the waste. So let's continue in.